Form 1. Preparation stance. Stand with feet together and the torso upright. Drop the shoulders, sink the elbows, look straight ahead, and pull in the abdomen while lifting the chest. Calm your mind and focus your intent. Form 2. Drop stance piercing palm. Rotate both wrists outward. With palms facing upward, lift the hands to the sides. Keep your eyes on the left hand. Raise both hands above the head. Then straighten them upward. Look up at the hands as they rotate outward. With the backs of the palms facing forward, move them past the ears. Pass them by the shoulders and chest toward the left. Step forward. Keep your eyes on the left hand.